Hi YouTube, welcome to WesPicks. Today I've got a package from Matt's Lockpit. Everyone knows Matt's channel and what a very funny guy he is. But he's also an excellent lock picker and locksmith and, well, from what I can tell, an excellent pick maker. So anyway, I have opened this packet just to check there were no notes in it, which there was a note in there. So let's have a look and see what we got. So he said he was making me a challenge lock, which he has. Oh, nice. It's an ultion 3-star dimple lock with a mummified key. He has removed the cam off of it to make gutting a bit easier. So I can't wait to see what he's actually done inside it. Anyway, let's put that there a minute. Let's see what else we got. We've got, he's made me a pick. It's Weng and Ash and it's made out of 16 thou starret. So let's have a look. So I have seen photos and videos of Matt's, oh my god, picks, and that is beautiful. So look at this. So he's laminated 2 pieces of ash and 2 pieces of Weng together. Really nice deepish sort of medium plus sort of very flexible, very springy starret steel. I think that's fantastic. Look at the shape of it. Really nice smooth finish. Matt, it was worth the wait, put it that way. That is absolutely fantastic. So we got 2mm brass hollow rivets in there. And that's just a really nice ergonomic shape, both ways, European and American. Matt, I'm over the moon with that. I think you've done a cracking job with that. I am absolutely over the moon. Thank you so much. Oh, that is fantastic. Look at that. Right, shall we see if we can get into this ultion challenge lock. I think we'll try reverse tension and maybe just a flat multi-pick. I'm not saying I'm going to get into this. Ultions, although they're 3-star, they're only really rated to 3-star because of their anti-snap ability or protection. Got a little bit of a false set going on. Just going from the other side. But pick-wise, normally they're not the hardest of dimple locks, although you never know what Matt's actually done inside this one. No, not getting anything that way. Another little click off of number 3 then. Bit of a good, well actually quite a good false set off of number 4. Number 5 isn't giving me anything. So I'll come back through the stack. Number 3's gone solid. I'll let up the tension a little bit and let that up, and that just got another little click out of it then. Let's go back in from that way. I've never actually gutted an ultion. Another little click then out at number 4. Good click out at number 5. Bit more false set out at number 4. It feels like we've got some good serrated pins going on in here. Back in from this way. So got number 1 to set. Might be number 1 holding me up. Alright, Matt, you've done something to it, that's for sure. Let's try number 3. No, he's locking out. It's because these ultions have got quite a tight, or quite a jaggedy, sort of almost paracentric keyway. I can't figure out what's actually holding me up at the moment. Bit more false set then off in number 4. So I can only imagine it's one more holding me up, which, okay, it's not number 1. Number 2 feels set. Trouble with that, the packet picks. Oh, and we're in. Well, that put up a good fight. So apparently all I need to do is push the circlip off. He says, usual circlip nightmare. You just guarantee it's not going to be that easy, can't you? No. I'll tell you what, I will probably pick and gut this again sometime so we can actually see. I just don't want to take, it's 9 minutes already. So anyway, that was the Matt Davis challenge lock, as he called it, anything. Uprated ultion by Matt's Lock Pit. And also this beautiful, beautiful pick from Matt. I'm absolutely over the moon with that. I love the shape. It's kind of egret, something like that, some kind of water bird or something. But anyway, Matt, I really appreciate that. You're a fantastic pick maker and a great challenge lock maker, along with everything else that you do for the sport. So thank you very much. Bye.